Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. We're John Smith. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Today very uncertain day and October brought us some exclusive shaking news. Weak hands are mostly sold the assets and waiting to rebuy on lower prices. I am going to talk about the technical analysis of Bitcoin today on weekly time frame because I am not making videos on daily basis, so it's better to talk about the larger picture rather than peanuts profits of daily basis. Okay, let's begin. Here you can see 3 ribbons that I have placed. First one is exponential moving average 21. Second one is moving average 50. Third one is moving average 200. The yellow one is EMA 21, and the green ribbon is MA 50, and the red ribbon is MA 200. As you can see here, CMA gap at $9,600 level still remains unfilled, and in this weekly time frame, if we rejected from EMA 21 then the next stop would be $9,000 level at MA 50, and if MA 50 breaks down then the final destination would be MA 200, that this ribbon over here. As you can see, I have mentioned the price tags here, so this is the first technical aspect I wanted to elaborate in this video, and the second one is, if you can see here, MACD indicators is forming a bearish divergence. As you can see over here, these 2 ribbons intersecting with each other, which indicated that a weekly bearish pattern is going to form. I am currently very bearish due to this indicator and also the CME gap at $9,600 levels. You can see here with Fibonacci retracement tool the golden pocket is also nearest to the 200 MA ribbon, which indicates that in future this level is most probably going to achieve to fill the CME gap and also to take more liquidations from this level. Also, I want to show you that on a short time frame such as 4 hours, here you can see we have formed a golden cross by the intersection of MA 50 and MA 200 ribbons, which is a bullish indicator. It means we can go above maximum $500 at least for the short-term period. Overall, I am bearish on a longer run. Let's get to the fundamentals that are pretty strong over here. Like I told you in my previous video, that always take a very close look at current affairs. As you can see in this tweet from Trump official account, Donald Trump and First Lady Melania Trump has tested positive for COVID-19 today, 2nd October 2020. This news is really affecting the overall global market and billion-dollar industries due to uncertainty and fear. As you remembered that I told you in my previous video already that the COVID-19 virus second wave is most likely going to affect gold, silver stock prices and Bitcoin, and it's happening right now, and many more news related to COVID is yet to come in coming days and weeks. Let's get to the second news, which is the most important news over here regarding Arthur Hayes, CEO and co-founder of Bitmex exchange. You can see in this tweet, CFTC, known as the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, has charged Arthur with money laundering and illegal operating derivative trading platform. Also, his colleagues are already arrested in Massachusetts state by law enforcement agencies this morning due to violation of federal law. Also, I am very concerned about other exchanges such as Binance and Bitfinex. These exchanges may also get into the radar of CFTC in near future. Well, let's catch the next tweet from Devin O'Malley. He is the press secretary of Vice President Mike Pence. He is writing in this to tweet that Vice President Mike is tested for COVID-19 every day, and this morning Vice President Mike Pence and the Second Lady tested negative for COVID-19, and President Mike Pence remains in good health and wishes the Trump to get well soon. In my opinion, President Trump could hand over the president powers to Mike Pence, as per the law under Section 3 of the U.S. Constitution, 25th Amendment, adopted in 1967 following the 1963 after the incident of President John Kennedy. Trump could declare in writing his inability to discharge his duties, so President Mike Pence would become acting president, although Trump will remain in the office. The president would regain his powers by declaring writing that he is again ready to discharge them. So meanwhile, Mike Pence could take over temporarily the powers of president due to his underlying conditions of COVID-19. This whole thing could bring back the certainty and positive vibes to the global economical market. Also, I would like to tell you one more important thing here, that how severe and serious his COVID risk today, based on his health physicians advised that he is in a high-risk group simply by virtue of his age. He is 74 and his weight. Trump is clinically obese, and obesity is a risk factor for a more severe form of the illness. Obesity triples the risk of hospitalization from COVID-19 according to CDC. Also, men are more likely to get affected, got severe illness from coronavirus than women. CDC agency reported that President Trump is above 70 years and his weight is also clinically higher than normal weight. According to CDC, people in 65 and 74 age range face a 5 times greater risk of hospitalization and a 90 times greater risk of death from COVID-19 compared to young adults between the age of 18 and 29. Let's pray for the president and his first lady that may God grant them fast recovery and get well soon, because after this bad and heart-wrenching news, market is on the verge of collapse because Trump is riding the market significantly in a very good way. Well, as you know, I always talk about the worst case scenario in my videos, so let's see here. The worst case scenario is still valid, just like I told you in my previous video. $3,000 level where another CME gap remains unfilled. It could get filled in near future. Who knows if there is any uncertain situation occurs in near future, such as global warming or another virus breakout or war conflict between countries. Everything is possible in this world, so plan your trades accordingly. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.